We just arrived at Bethel Cabin here in Cabins by the Caves near Logan, Ohio. Look at this gorgeous, spacious cabin. Wow, this is amazing. Located very close, within a few miles of Hocking Hills. You have everything you need for your family. This cabin easily and comfortably is perfect for up to 6 people. Spacious living area with fireplace. Wraparound porch outside. We'll be videoing tomorrow in the daylight. Let's go upstairs. Oh, and looks like there's a bathroom down here. Oh, I love this woodwork on the walls. Half bath. And we are going to run upstairs. I don't know if we can go downstairs. Wow, this woodwork is gorgeous. Look at this hand railing, guys. Here's one of the queen bedrooms here. Looks like it has a private balcony. Wow, look how stunning this is. Super big bathroom. Gorgeous. Love the vaulted ceilings and just this woodwork. Soaking tub. Nice wooded lot. We're at the top of a pretty steep hill on a 20-acre property. What a beautiful bedroom. So this is one of 3 bedrooms. Let's go find the others. The beautiful retreat in the woods here in southern Ohio. Look at this hand railing, it's so pretty. Oh, it looks like we have another living area I did not expect, with a wet bar, table, large TV. See a hammock outside. This is another level of outdoor space, another fireplace. Wow. All the games that you could possibly want to be playing. What an amazing place for a family vacation. And here is another bedroom with another queen bed. Nice spacious closet. And the third queen bedroom. Love all the artwork. Definitely feel that you're out in the woods here. This beautiful cabin here in Hocking Hills. And another full bath. It does come with all the linens, all the towels.
Got an ember on my arm.
Well, friends, sadly, we are leaving our extended weekend trip here in Hocking Hills. We stayed at the Cabins by the Caves. We stayed in their Bethel cabin. Gorgeous, it's just stunning luxury cabin here in Hocking Hills. If you are planning a staycation or just want a long weekend away, highly recommend staying at one of their beautiful log cabins, authentically log cabins here in Hocking Hills. One thing I have noticed driving through Hocking Hills this season is that there are a lot of new pop-up cabins that aren't very authentic, and many are right by the road. So if you're looking for a peaceful setting surrounded by woods as far as the eye can see, then Cabins by the Caves is that's definitely should be your #1 choice. We couldn't recommend it more highly. All the comforts at home and then some. We've really enjoyed this gorgeous wraparound porch. Wish it was a little warmer because we would have definitely spent more time out here. We spent most of our time here in the woods. They do have a pond that you can go fishing in. Oh, and there's the hot tub. We've definitely enjoyed that. What I found is we really slowed down a lot here, which was fabulous with our teens, because we had a chance to just like sit around, unplug, and just talk. Like our conversation by the fire pit has just been just so sweet. And there was never a time when anyone said they were bored. We've had so much to do inside the cabin, outside the cabin. Yesterday we hiked a lot. We went to Ash Cave, which is I think like 3 miles from here, and then we also went to Old Man's Cave and Rock House, and we stopped by Cedar Falls. So there's just so much to do right here next to the Cabins by the Caves locations. But honestly, like, the woods here are just so gorgeous. There are some marked trails that you can hike here as well. I mean, this is the kind of place where you can just come and just chill for the whole time you're here. I could definitely see staying here for an entire week with my family. It's spacious. You're not going to be on top of each other. You're just going to have a great time. So just highly recommend Cabins by the Caves here in Hocking Hills for your next Ohio staycation. Till next time, bye.